Are you having people over on Super Bowl?
Not planned yet, but maybe.
At your house or someone else's?
Probably mine.
Okay.
What about you?
Dude, we're having people over.
How many?
I think it's like 12 right now, but that includes children.
Woof.
No. Mal, it's the Friday before Super Bowl Sunday. I love the Super Bowl.
Me too.
Do you know why I love the Super Bowl?
The halftime show.
No, the food. I
Oh,
love
yes.
the food. Everything that you can have on Super Bowl Sunday is all of my favorite
It's
things.
the best.
For our video this week, what I thought was, oftentimes my wife will tell me, you're having your friends over for Super Bowl Sunday, go get the food that you want to serve. And I'd say, no problem. So I'd go down in the store and I would explore. So today, we're gonna do that for you. You're gonna get a little inside scoop at how I would shop the store for Super Bowl Sunday. We're gonna go down and pick some items, put them in the basket, come on up, take a look, open them up, try them.
And cook them.
Cool, let's do it. We are at our Sharon location in beautiful Sharon, Ontario. And I'm gonna go do a little shopping for my Super Bowl party. And unlike maybe other events, this is like an appetizers only type of event. So I'm gonna start with chips and work my way to all the things I need to make those chips pop. So let's go. Well, it says it's the dipper, so it must be the right one. So let's grab some of those. I love these So Chill chips. If I'm picking my potato chips, I'm picking Covered Bridge, independently owned and operated, awesome chips, all Canadian potatoes. I'm not gonna grab them today because we're not dipping them, but I did see these earlier. Oh, and they're selling out fast. Guaca chip. There might be some people that like multi-grain chips in my family, so let's grab some Tostitos multi-grain. These are like hardcore, authentic Mexican style corn chips. Love these, so these are going in. I need a blue corn chip because we need color. So Neil Brothers makes my favorite blue chip with flax. Really cool, a little different texture in that one. I love that. I got a lot of chips. I gotta do some items to dip, and then I think we're gonna make nachos. Mad Mexican pico de gallo, amazing. I like mine hot, so I'm buying the hot one. And their chunky guacamole is to like die for. So we're gonna grab those two. Those are easy. And I'm also gonna grab, because this is new from them, and I tried it, and it was phenomenal, and it's their roasted tomatillo and avocado salsa. So a little bit different, good for vegetables, for dipping vegetables as well, so I'm gonna grab that. Light or regular? I love like chicken pieces on my nachos, and the best way to do that is to just buy the pre-cooked stuff, and then I just chop it up. That's really, really easy. Regular chicken breast strips cooked, Mark Angelo, awesome product, great company. Again, Neil Brothers, great Canadian company. I love their mild salsa. I always go with a mild salsa because you never know what people like. So on the guacamole though, I don't care. I choose hot. Chipotle chilies, which I love. Sliced green olives, sliced jalapenos. I like fresh tomato. So these are tomatoes, red cherry on the vine, nice and small. I'm gonna probably just quarter them. Oh, 7-layer dip. If I was having the party, I'd be bringing the big one home. But because we're doing the video, I'm gonna get the small one. So you can definitely see that there are 7 layers in there of some kind, and this stuff is amazing. I think we're good. I did a little shopping.
A little.
Yes, I started with chips, can you tell?
6 bags? 5 bags?
5 bags. And I grabbed some of my favorite items that I'm sure to bring home on Super Bowl Sunday.
Lots of them.
They all offer a different purpose. First off, I've got the multi-grain round Tostitos because my middle daughter Maya,
Yes.
that's what she likes.
They're a classic.
Then I went to our blue corn and flax from Neil Brothers. Awesome.
Delicious.
Guaca chips. Guacamole chips. We're gonna open those up in a second, take a look. Got my Mad Mexican traditional corn tortilla. That's gonna be perfect for dipping in our guacamole, our pico de gallo. And then I've got the So Chill dipper, which is a wonderful chip. This is what I'm gonna make my nachos with.
Okay.
And then I've grabbed a couple of my favorite dips and additives. So I'm gonna make some nachos and we're just gonna do this.
Let's do it.
Guaca chips.
Guaca.
Corn masa tortilla chip.
Okay.
Dusted with guacamole flavoring. I love the color on them. Next chip that's gonna be used as a dipper at my Super Bowl party.
It's a favorite at my house.
This one is?
Yeah.
Neil Brothers? Good product.
And their salsa.
I love opening packages to show everybody just because you get a real sense of what the product is inside. So these really large size chips, awesome for dipping. Okay, our last dipping chip of the party
Yes.
is our Mad Mexican.
Perfect.
Okay, local Toronto-based company. Guys have a restaurant in the city. Check it out, Mad Mexican restaurant downtown. Real authentic Mexican corn tortilla, thick cut, really nice, salty, awesome. You're allowed to have favorites. Don't tell my kids. For our nachos, we're gonna use the So Chill Dipper. So make yourself a nice little spread. Now, I always start with cheese. Do you also start with cheese?
Oh,
You don't make the nachos, Tim does. So we're gonna put a nice little amount of cheese here. I am a big fan of simple items. Sliced green olives and some sliced jalapenos.
I have the best knife skills. Yep.
If you're confident that they're good, let's go. In order to kind of speed it up, I went ahead with the pre-cooked chicken. So we have a nice simple layer. 12 people, 1 bag of cheese, 1 bag of chips. $350, $375 in the oven. We're gonna open up the dips.
Yes.
We're gonna try the dips. Mallory,
You've said my name 7,000 times.
one of the great things about nacho dips and the Super Bowl is that you can reuse the dips for both those who want to eat it with their warm nachos
Yes.
and those that are just dippers.
The dippers.
So the first we're going to do is we're going to prepare a bowl just for straight dippers. And then what we're going to do is use these smaller guys to go with our nacho platter.
Wow. You are a hostess with the mostest.
We try our best. The first one that I'm going to be pouring out is our Neal Brothers Mercifully Mild salsa. Love the taste on this. Again, it's a local company who we love to support.
Here we have the tomatillo guac from Mad Mexican. I have the hot guacamole
Why are you laughing?
because it's hot. Chunky, delicious, just the way we like it.
And finally, we have the Pico de Gallo from Mad Mexican again. And the difference between this Mad Mexican Pico de Gallo is the jalapenos.
We forgot a dip.
We did forget a dip.
My personal favorite, the Vince's Own 7-layer dip.
Do you know what's in there?
Refried beans, sour cream,
Yep.
guacamole,
Yep.
I believe another layer of sour cream,
Yes.
salsa,
Yes.
cheese,
Yes.
cilantro.
Is that 7 layers? Refried beans.
1 refried beans, sour cream, guac, another layer of sour cream, salsa, cheese,
There's more
cilantro.
refried beans in there.
Might need a new prescription.
Let's open this up. So we make this fresh at Vince's in our deli departments regularly. So it's made fresh all the time. It's available year round, not just for the Super Bowl. How do you eat our Vince's Own 7-layer dip?
Not with a spoon.
You don't eat it with a spoon? Actually not?
No.
Then how do you get all 7 layers cleanly? I like to go down with my spoon. Okay.
I
The
got
spoon
the
is key. I taught you something new today.
A few things.
Any of value?
Not yet.
At this point now, we have prepared a lovely selection of chips and dip. The only thing we're waiting for now is our nachos. Our nachos are out of the oven.
They look delicious.
We've added some additional toppings to bring some color and vibrancy and flavor.
Yes.
Yes, particularly some green onion. We've added some dollops of our different dips, some pico de gallo on top. We've got some friends, so we're going to dig in on these nachos. We hope you enjoy the big game on Sunday and have fun and have some good food.
Happy Super Bowl. Happy Super Bowl.
Maya's gonna kill me. Remember to get my multigrain chips. Remember to get my multigrain chips. Remember to get my multigrain chips. And she sent me a voice message.
Remember to get my multigrain chips.